Hello my dear students, standard 7th class. My name is Nirmala Nagesh Mudigonda. I learn 7th class subject mathematics. It has been a long time since you have been at home. We are all at home because of the terrible disease corona. During this period, your result has been also given you. You are going to in 7th class. Our school will not start early because this illness can stay home and study all subjects through mobile. We are going to learn subject mathematics. Let us first introduce a book of mathematics. This is front cover of the book. On this cover you see teacher, students, watchman, fruit seller, trees, houses, school bus, etc. Some children are planting trees, some children are buying fruits from fruit seller. Teacher is observing the children and giving some instructions. The kids look very happy. This is the back cover of the book. Some boys and some girls shown this page. Some kids are carrying the equation flags. A boy is drawing a circle around a tree. He is measuring the circumference of the tree. A boy and a girl are planting the box. Write down the national anthem and pledge and the Constitution of India in your notebook. In our maths book, sequence consists of two parts, 1 to 8 chapter in the first part and 9 to 15 chapter in the second part. Today we want to learn the first chapter, geometrical construction. Just revise what we learned in the 6th standard. We learned point, line, line segment and angle. Measure the segment in centimeters and measure angle in degrees. Let's now see how draw angle bisector. Draw measure of angle ABC 90 degree and bisector them. First, I am drawing rough diagram according to the information of given example. Then, I draw measured 40 degree angle. म्हणजेच प्रथम BC किरण काढून घेतला व B बिंदूवर कोन मापक ठेवून 40 अंशाचा कोन काढला व त्या कोनातून कंपासच्या साहाय्याने कोन दुभाजक काढला व आलेल्या किरणाला नाव दिले BM. An angle bisector divides an angle into two equal parts. Is ray BM the bisector of angle ABC? म्हणजेच कोन दुभाजक हा कोनाचे समान दोन भाग करतो. Next construction is draw perpendicular bisector of line segment. For example, draw a line segment PS of length 4 cm and draw its perpendicular bisector. I draw the rough figure according to the information given example. First, a line measuring 4 cm was drawn. Using compass, draw arcs at the top and bottom of the line. Their points of intersection was named C and D. Draw a line passing point C and D. The point at which the line passes is named M. Measured angle CMS. This angle is 90 degree. The segment appear to be divided into two equal parts. PM is equal to 2 cm and MS is equal to 2 cm. Angle CMD is 90 degree. Thus, today we have studied two constructions, angle bisector and perpendicular bisector. Today's homework. First and second question in practice set 1. Thank you my dear students watching this video. Stay home and live safe.